Generating matplotlib graphs without a running X server. Matplotlib seems to require the $display environment variable, which means a running X server. Some web hosting services do not allow a running X server session. Is there a way to generate graphs using matplotlib without a running X server?
Neil's answer is 1. Perfectly valid way of doing it, but you can also simply call matplotlib.useAg before importing matplotlib.pyplot, and then continue as normal. For example, you don't have to use the AG backend, as well. The PDF, PS, SVG, EG, Cairo, and GDK backends can all be used without an X server. However, only the AG backend will be built by default, I think. So there's a good chance that the other backends may not be enabled on your particular install. Alternately, you can just set the backend parameter in your .matplotlib file to automatically have matplotlib.pyplot use the given renderer.
You need to use the matplotlib API directly rather than going through the PyLab interface. There's a good example here. This URL